Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be showing you how to make fried pork with garlic and pepper. This recipe is ideal for a snack or as an appetizer. However, you could eat it with some sticky rice as a main meal too. The recipe only uses 7 easy to find ingredients and it's very quick and easy to make. We've used lean pork cut into strips as you don't want the pork to be too fatty. So on screen now the ingredients. As always, a full list of these ingredients will be on our blog post. A link to that will be in the description box just below this video. Okay, so let's get started. First, add 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of coriander stalks, and a 1/4 teaspoon of dried peppercorn to a mortar and pestle, and crush everything into a paste. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you could use a food processor and just blend everything. Next, place 300 grams of lean pork strips into a mixing bowl, and add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and the paste that we made earlier. Mix all the ingredients into the pork by hand and leave the pork to marinate for about 1 hour or more. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wok on a high heat, and then add in the pork. Stir fry the pork for about 7 minutes till it has browned, and then serve and enjoy. This goes well with sticky rice, fresh vegetables, or just on its own. So we hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, and you would like to see lots more Thai and Asian inspired recipes, do subscribe to our channel. We're releasing new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So thanks once again for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again on the next video.